Channel. Go. Keep on clap, make it feel waiting come for now. You're so welcome. Oh no, I got to put them on. Give me. Move like this. Move. Just move ahead like that. Everybody, move ahead. Okay. And we cannot thank them enough, because from first to 150 cups we realized that very thing was done by the help of NEMA, Red Cross, IOM, Mokwa Youthful, Jamaat National Islam. Those were the people that were on ground. They helped us physically to evacuate those cups and bury them. We thank you, Moses. May Almighty Allah reward you. Hajia Zubaida Umar, the director of NEMA. I just have to comment that because by my nature I'm a practical man. I said it the way I see it. Umar was on ground and she wrote a big commendation from us because she behaved like a man. She go around all the areas that affected us. She was picking cups together with us, weeping with us. In fact, we commend her and she deserves even a merit award for us. Going forward again, I know that actually she cannot come without a directive from the federal government because she's a property of federal government. So we thank you, Your Excellency, for that gesture done to us. And she did not just come to us. Some of these goods you have seen here came from NEMA. Most of these mattresses and this house you see, it came from NEMA. Despite I know that yes, we as a state, we cannot count now the number of people that supported us. There are too many to mention names. We can only say for those who are prayed, may Allah reward them. But for the first people to support is NEMA. And we will continue to ring it until we get to their air. Again, the Minister of Information and Humanitarian, within 48 hours, they were physically with us, and today he's here with us again. That demonstrates that, yes, he's a committed son of the soil. And we thank you for coming. Minister for Agri sent his own support with a team, and you can see physically here. My good friend, Slow, he's here. Malan Show Slow. I'm expecting your own to come later. Thank you. But I was also coming because the VP is here, so that I will not take a call. Aside that, Excellency, I just want to give you a tip of summary what happens. Presently, we have a 4 collapsed bridge. One is Rolo is here, one is here in Metropolis here, another one is just here that connected Islam Abubakar College of Agriculture with Mokwa here. Another one is there in Rabat there. the social and economic life of our people have been completely cut off. Raba people cannot come to Mokwa until they travel around 20 kilometers. We need a quick intervention. Quick intervention because state government cannot do it alone. Secondly, the student from the other side of the river cannot come into Mokwa town provided there's rainfall. So they're at risk. So for that, we need a quick intervention for this bridge to be fixed. Your Excellency, please, I know you can do it. Help us.
I just want to use this golden opportunity to express a profound gratitude to the federal government of Nigeria under the able leadership of His Excellency Ahmed Bola Tinubu, GCFR, who actually committed himself and also directed his vice president to come here physically to come to us. Your Excellency, we have no words to express our gratitude. I will pray Almighty Allah to guide the federal government under the leadership of Mr. President Ahmed Bola Tinubu, continue to cater for the people, to move the people, to enhance their standard of living, and to promote their security and peace, inshallah.
Your Excellency, Your Royal Highness, Mr. President, His Excellency President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, GCFR, specifically instructed me that you must go to Mokwa, not to, but to Mokwa, to commiserate with our people over the tragedy that had befallen this ancient town, this strategic town, and also assure them that his heart is with the grieving people of Mokwa. That we should offer our condolences to the government and people of Niger State for the loss of lives and properties. May the souls of the deceased rest in perfect peace. May Allah grant them Al-Jannah Firdaus, and may Allah give the families the fortitude to bear the irreparable losses. Having said that, I've listened to the speeches by His Royal Highness, by His Excellency, and by the Ndalele of Mokwa. I want to assure you that all the issues raised by our leaders will be promptly addressed by the federal government in partnership with the Niger State government. There are certain responsibilities that belongs to the federal government. Certainly, the state government equally has some responsibilities. Even the local governments have a duty to serve their people. Jama'a duk abin da ya cancanta za a yi muku. Shugaban kasa ya ba da umarni a zo a gyara muku gadojinku. Batun drainages, with respect to the drainages in Mokwa town, the president has equally directed the ministers of environment and the minister of state agriculture, Senator Dr. Aliyu Sabi Abdullahi, who is a son of the soil, dan New Busane, dan Sarkin Borgo ne, to relocate and ensure that under the platform of actual project, the President has directed for an immediate intervention on the drainages in Mokwa town. Again, on the relocation and reconstruction of homes for the affected victims, the President has authorized the immediate release of 2 billion naira to immediately commence the construction of homes destroyed by the disaster. But most importantly, I want to seize this opportunity. It takes two to tango. Niger state government must also play a role in this construction effort. On the issue of the electric transformer mentioned by His Royal Highness, incidentally, I am the chairman of the Niger Delta Power Holding Company. Immediately we get back to Abuja, inshallah, I will authorize MD of Niger Delta Power Holding Company to make arrangements for a 14 MVA transformer for Mokwa town.
Touched are you on behalf of President Bola Tinubu?
The President was personally distressed by what happened in Mokwa, and he directed me that I must visit Mokwa and commiserate with the people of Mokwa and the government and people of Niger State over the sad tragedy that had befallen this community, and to assure them that the federal government, in partnership with the state government, will do whatever it takes to rekindle hope in the minds of our people. Under the AgriSat project, the federal government will take care of the drainages in Mokwa town. Yeah, the President has already directed the Minister of State for Agriculture to relocate to Mina for the next 1 week to see that 20 trucks of assorted food commodities are delivered to this distressed community. Most importantly, we have to find windows of rebuilding lives and hopes of the people. The federal government will expend 2 billion naira in partnership with the Niger state government to see that homes destroyed by this flood are reconstructed. Human lives can never be compensated, but we can give them hope for a better tomorrow. This is why the President is very empathetic, very much worried, very much concerned about the plight of the hundreds of thousands of our people affected by this disaster. Most importantly, we are on ground. We are going to rebuild the bridges. The federal government, under the able leadership of President Bola Tinubu, has already directed the Federal Minister of Works to immediately embark on the reconstruction of the 4 destroyed bridges, which is a lifeline, actually, a major artery road that connects the south with the northern part of Nigeria. So it's our collective responsibility to see that we rekindle hope in our people for a better tomorrow.
Your Excellency, you did talk about the power project too.
Power is an essential sine qua non for any industrial takeoff. We cannot talk. Niger has the potential. And Mokwa, incidentally, I'm the chairman of the Niger Delta Power Holding Company. It's within my province, it's within my responsibilities to see that 14 MVA transformer is provided for the benefit of the people of Mokwa. This I can promise you at my own modest level. Of course, with the approval of President Bola Tinubu. He has given me the mandate to come and make commitments, to come and speak on behalf of the federal government from Nigeria. We have seen, we have spoken, we are committed. I want to thank the governor, the deputy governor of Niger State, who has been here on about 7 occasions to empathize with the people. I want to thank NEMA. The DG of NEMA was here. He has been actively involved in giving succor and support to the people. And of course, our development partners. I cannot leave out the media too. You have been here showing to the world the challenges we are facing. The Minister of Information and National Orientation, this is the second time of coming to Niger State within a week on behalf of the federal government. Most importantly, I want to assure the people, the government and people of Niger State, that we are going to walk the talk. It's not about empty promises. Under the AgriSat project, of which a son of the soil, a prince from Borgu, the Minister of State for Agriculture, is the co-chairman of the board. So we are going to look at the drainages to forestal future occurrences. This used to be a stream. And there's an incestuous relationship between ecology and economy. Because of population, people are encroaching on the waterway.